Any farm in Minecraft that produces items needs to be collected. The helper minecart allows for easy collection of scattered items. The problem is that you need to unload the minecart of its items in order to pick up more. In 1.19, a change was made allowing helper minecarts to be destroyed and replaced automatically. It was then discovered you can separate the hopper minecart from its contents. Links to all of those people in the description. In this case, we align the minecart to the chain to allow the hopper minecart to be picked up by the hopper while the contents end up in the water stream. A popular version of this is Ilmango's cart unloader. The minecart is aligned to the amethyst cluster and falls onto the low rail, clipping into the lava cauldron to be broken and picked up while the items end up in the water stream. The detector rail above the observer then turns off, creating a pulse to redispense the minecart. To turn this off, you can power the note block to prevent the cart from being dispensed.
There's also some variations you can use. So instead of using the amethyst cluster, you can also use a skull.
There is an easy way to simplify this. What is the same hitbox as a mob head? The stair. This is the new design. The minecart rises off the rails to collide with the stair, which has the same 8 pixel width as a mob head to achieve the same result. Turning off the module is easy, as well as we can just power the dispenser. We also remove one observer and one dropper in this design by changing the layout. This is a mock-up scenario. As you can see, all the minecarts will collect the slime balls to be dropped into the water stream. We can use the fact redstone lines don't travel down transparent blocks to create a very simple power line. The observer here gives a quick pulse to the line to dispense the minecarts when the lever is turned off. Here is where all the items gather up. Be free. Here is a tutorial on how to build one module. Be mindful of the rail's orientation.
Rails are really cool because they are really dumb.
The slab represents any transparent block that prevents a redstone from traveling downwards. This design is for the nether, where you cannot place water. Here the detector rail activates the piston, which retracts the rail and the block underneath to allow the items to fall through. This command block is just for spawning items. Delay is added, allowing the items to settle on the ground first. This design, however, is not tileable, as moving the rails can change their orientation, breaking the design. You can, however, stagger the modules vertically. Let's turn this on to see what is happening. Since we staggered the modules vertically, all the items are lined up horizontally. They are then pushed onto the piston conveyor to be further processed. The power line is split up into 2 lines, chained together with repeaters to power the dispenser. The trapdoors on the top line allows the minecart to travel through. When turned off, this pulse extender keeps the collection system running for extra time. This is a mock-up piston conveyor. The pulse loops around in a circle. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching and ciao.